Well, how good is this, guys? Nice and warm. Huh? You're so tired. What happened to Aji?
Daddy's shoe is blocking the way.
Kaya pala, sabi ko something. Tingin-tingin ako sa floor. Something got stuck again. Oh, see? Ang dumi pa dito. Ay. I don't know, but she's stuck. Something's inside her. We'll see. Ay, na.
That's not mine.
I know it's not yours. Ay, nako. It's annoying.
Mommy, is Reggie a boy or a girl?
Error 5. Main brush
Yeah,
gel.
she's a girl.
Resuming.
Yeah, thank you.
Stand by.
Ay, nako. Alo? It's not daddy's shoe. You know what it is? It's this. Oh, bitaw?
I didn't see that.
You didn't, yeah. Because if you did, you would have picked it up. It will tell you na na-stuck siya. It will tell you sa app. Nagno-notify yan siya. Kaya lang, I'm sleeping na.
Can you put marshmallows in my...
If you do your reading
Mama.
with no mistakes, I'll put marshmallow. What?
I'm done this, so quickly. Can you put... Can I fix up the mistakes?
Yeah. Of course you
I
can.
finished this too.
Ayla, would you like mandarin and apple or oranges and apple? Mandarin, apple, and grapes. Big grapes.
Orange and mandarin.
Orange and mandarin. Arlo, do you want to try this time, Ayla?
I think I already tried it yesterday. It was too sour.
Sour? No. The balls, chocolate balls.
Oh yeah.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I have one.
Okay.
One cut in half.
One cut in half?
Yeah.
It's small. Look. It's yum.
Fine.
Try it. I'll put some in your lunchbox. Careful with yours. I'll put some in your lunchbox, okay?
First, I'm going to do my tricky words.
Ginawa ko siya kahapon. And nilagyan ko siya na...
Wait, which one am I practicing, Mom? Which one can I practice?
Vitamin A.
11 or 12?
All of them.
All of them, so I need
Lagyan
to
ko siya
start
ng
to...
C-A-R-R-O-T-S.
No,
Huh?
all of them. Now I need to start from 1.
You said mandarins and...
Mandarins and oranges.
Oh, wow.
I love my eyes. Mom,
Hmm.
can I make mistakes on this one?
Preferably not. Hello, apples, oranges, mandarins, grapes.
Yeah.
What, yeah?
Mango best.
Mandarin? This?
I think
Yeah.
has Yakult and yogurt.
What fruit do you want? Apples and grapes?
Apple and grape.
Okay.
Best. Mom
Yes.
has
Good job, ate. Reading and eating. Let me know if you can't read it. I'll teach you.
But then I cannot get a marshmallow.
Hmm?
Then I cannot get a marshmallow.
No, you still can get a marshmallow. If you don't know how to read it, you just ask and then I'll teach you. It's not really a mistake, it's learning.
I don't know how to read this.
Which one?
P-I-F-F.
Piff.
Piff?
That is tricky, isn't it?
Yeah. Mommy,
Mm.
can I get some help in the other one?
Yeah. Just tell me.
Piff?
Piff, yes. Well done, girl.
Money? Because I practice all my other tricky words, do I still need to practice them more?
Yeah.
Because look.
What?
Look at me.
What is it?
I don't need I don't need to do them anymore. Could, Mum,
Yep.
could she,
Her. You said her. Yeah.
her, very, could have,
Yep.
and then
And then.
want,
Yeah.
want,
Yep.
want,
Yeah.
want.
You know the tricky words.
Yeah.
Hello. Come here. Let's fix your hair quickly, Kuya. Quick. Before Ate comes.
And Mom, I got my sister doesn't need it, and I got my beautiful pen you gave me.
Oh. What are you making now?
I'm gonna make something blue because Holly likes blue.
Okay.
I'm gonna write
What hairstyle,
Holly.
my love?
I will have a ponytail
Ponytail.
because I want the same as Mrs. Virginia.
The same as Miss Rogero?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy day. Okay. Happy day. Say happy day, everyone. Oh, good dancing.
Oh my God.
Hold. Yeah, hold.
Yeah.
Ay, sus, hold talaga.
Oh God. Oh,
Energy supplies don't want you to know about
This one?
Now I have a pen with
Yeah,
all
okay.
of
Don't open it,
the
don't
fiber.
open. Just put it on here. Sige. Mm. Mm. Good job, Indy. Good job opening.
Is that for my
Yeah.
Oh.
Well done, Sophie. Mommy, do your hair after, okay?
Now I'm going to have a look.
No, brush hair, Indy, brush hair.
Wait.
Good girl. Angie's working early in the morning
Yeah, because all is bullet.
because of all those bullets.
It probably got stuck at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Nah, should have been done by then.
When does she start?
She starts at 10.
did this one in school, Mommy.
I'll change it to 9, so it's earlier.
Why did you change it to 9?
Because at 10, I'm probably already sleeping.
At 9, you're not.
Maybe not yet.
You sleep late, Mom.
Yeah, not really, not too late.
Oh, so 9 is not too late?
For adults, for kids, it's very, very late. Like for kids like you.
I can sleep till 5 o'clock in the morning.
What?
Yeah. Mama. I'm gonna make this for Holly. Says Holly, Holly, Holly. I love Holly, 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 Holly. In the dinner, Holly, no, your mom. Oh my God, my wallet. Oh, cool.
What do you want?
You're
to
not that good.
do? Just a pony, yeah? No bun? Looks beautiful. Ito na naman, magpapalit na naman siya. Mamaya na, pwede ba mamaya na? Kasi meron akong gagawin.
Good,
I know.
good.
What, baby? You did it. Well done. Thank you, Kuya. Clothes, I know, but we need to get skirts. We need to look for skirts and dresses. So, yes. Can we do that later? When they leave? Huh? Para doon na tayo sa taas, okay? We just have to wait for them to go, okay? Yes. I'm gonna go through your boxes, your older clothes, and look for skirts and dresses for her. I'm pretty sure there's something there that will fit her.
I know the dress you will love. Remember the one I got on my one birthday?
The first birthday?
Yeah, the one birthday.
She already wore it. Babe, she's already one. She's close to 2, so that's not gonna fit her anymore. But that one's a really good dress. I love that dress. You wanna wear a dress?
Mom, I know.
Yeah?
So,
Grabe namang saya yan.
bye.
Bye! Bye, Daddy! Let's go, beautiful. Go, Didi. Go, Didi Bells. Go, Didi Bells. Let's go. Yeah. You ready to look for dresses? Yeah, nandun kasi sa taas, guys. Ayun. Yung mga damit ni Ayla noon na kinip ko for indie. So, may mga labels yan. Some are 2 to 3 years old. Some are 2 to 3. Winter 2 to 3. So, tingnan natin yan lahat. Kasi feeling ko may kasya na sa kanya dyan. Baka may size 2 dyan ba? Nakasya na sa'yo, no? Napaaga mo ng check. Bakit pang summer naman ang chini-check? Pero ang saya, oh. What do you think? Will it work? Is it too short? Oh, it works! Ready? Steady? Whoa, exciting! I don't see any tutu. Oh, we'll see what it has. Yung skirt, yung habol ko lang sana. Skirt na lang, no? Para mas madali. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of clothes here for you, Dee. Didi!
What?
Book, yeah. Oh, Didi! Oh my gosh, Didi! Look! So pretty! Size 2. Oh my gosh. You wear that, baby. Size 110. I know! Oh my gosh! Alright, let's take that out too. Paaga ang dress mo, Di. Ito, hindi to masyadong nasuot ni ate kasi hindi komportable daw sa kanya. Oh my gosh, you have to wear this! That is so cute! Oh my gosh, Indy's gonna wear all of it, guys. She will wear it. Won't you, beautiful? Oh, wala na. Sinusuot na niya. Alright, that's good. That should be it. I think that's it, baby. Yeah. The rest, wala na ako nakikita masyadong tuto. Hindi pa niya kilala si Moana. So, wag na muna to. That's a size 3 as well. Alright, which one? Choose. Is that enough to take out? Ayusin ko kaya. Wait, i-check ko na lang ng ayos, guys, para hindi na tayo bumalik dito. Oh my gosh, you have a lot of nice outfits! Oh. No more shopping for Indy. No shopping for Indy for summer. We have a lot. They are really, really cute. Mostly hindi na suot ni Ayla. Wait sa, Di. Wait sa. I'm looking for more para hindi na ako bumalik dito. Oh my gosh, Dede. No shopping for you, Dede. Remind Mommy, okay? Oh no! Wait sa, Di. Wait sa. Alright, all good. No more tutu there. Alright, all good. Yeah, clothes. Wait. Let's put your first layer on. You're gonna look really pretty in the summer. Ready? Ready, baby. Take off jamas. Take off jamas. Good choice. I love that. Do you know that that's a dancing dress? Yeah. Don't show guys body, okay?
I'm shy.
Right, ready?
I'll be the food. I'll be there. I got
Come here, baby.
your
Clothes. Right, here. Oh, you excited to wear clothes?
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't.
Excited to wear clothes. Oh, baby. Oh my gosh, you're gonna look so adorable. Come and hit this one. Oh my god. Indy. Indy! I'm not ready for this. Wait, stop. I'm so pretty. So pretty. How old are you? gosh, yeah. Yeah, come on.
Go.
Let me fix it properly, B. Hello? What's up, B? Tarong na to, day. Hala, hindi! Kasya naman to sa'yo, day. Spin dress. You look gorgeous. Spin with mama. Spin me, I love dress. You're so gorgeous.
Yeah, mommy. Yeah.
You ready to go dancing? Do you wanna go dancing?
That way.
Ay.
Mommy.
Baby.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh, guys. Ang bilis ng panahon. Parang kailan lang inaayos natin to for ate. Now, sabi ni Indy, huwag ka magdrama dyan. Nag-aayos ka lang, magdadrama ka. I-check ko na lang din yung winter na size 2 to 3. Baka meron ng kasya sa kanya dun. Kasi itong mga to, kung iisipin mo, malaki pa to sa kanya. Kaya ko to siya nilagay dito. But, siguro nag-shrink na. Kaya kasya na sa kanya. Ayan. Kasya sa kanya, guys. Wala pa siyang to. Wala pa siyang to. Di, how old are you, Di? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Baby. Oh, what? Be careful, ha? Be careful. You look so cute. Happy day. Be careful, please. Mukmuk na sa kanya, day.
Mommy, apa?
Walang mga ano dito, di. Yeah, malalaki to, di. Next winter na to, day. Ay. Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko ay kahirap abutin dahil sa'yo. Excuse me, beautiful. Alright, nandito na lang din naman tayo. Let's go through her dresses. Kasi maliliit na to, guys. See, it says baby. Not a baby anymore. I-declutter na natin to, be. Para maraming space for new messages. This is too small for you now. Okay lang sana to magagamit pa kung walang ito. Kaya lang meron kasi. So, hindi na talaga to kasya. Sa kanya maikli na to. Okay pa to kasi walang built-in na pambaba. Oh, this is cute. This is a dress. Oh, good sitting. Mga walang pambaba, okay lang. Ito malaki pa to sa kanya. Hindi pa niya to nagamit. So, this is okay. Bigay to ni Tita Michelle sa kanyang first birthday. This one, yeah. Giveaway na natin to. Oh, who are we gonna give it to? Para sa iyo. Oh my gosh, you're gonna have amazing dresses in the next few days. You're gonna have amazing dresses. Are you excited? Yeah. Say excited. Good job. Excited. This is a bit too big, I think. But you can wear this over your jumpers, yeah? Jumpers. Did you show guys your dress? Ooh. Spin. Spin. Oh, dance. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. You're gonna wear this if you go dancing. Are you ready to go dancing? You ready to go dancing? Dance? Oh, take me. Take me dancing. Is mommy ready? Getting too big for mama. Fish. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I love you man so much, oy. Ambot mo na yun, oy. Alright, nakabihis na ako. Let's tackle this. Ayan. Nilagay ko lang yan siya dyan. Tinampak ko lang yan siya dyan. Pero ayan yung mga damit ng mga bata nung diniclutter ko na, guys. Parang sinadya ko siya ng konti na dyan ilagay para eyesore. You need to do it, you need to do it. So, I'm gonna do it now! Let's do it! Yeah, habang okay si D. Wala pang 9. So, feeling ko matatapos natin siya ng wala pang 10. I just need to segregate it. Yeah, segregate it to ibibigay sa Pinas or i-donate dito. Meron akong 2 boxes sa baba na naghihintay na punuin ko. 1, 2. Happy day. Teeth. Show happy day, teeth.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Teeth.
Teeth. Oh, baby.
Dad, this is a new.
You know where it? You know where it is?
This.
Okay. There you go. Oh, wow. Not head. Go look in the mirror. Alright guys, so nasegregate ko na yung dito. Ayan na, okay na yan dyan. Okay na yan dyan. Yan. Pero meron pang maraming kalat. Go! Maraming tambak. Ito, ang tagal na nito dito. Tadang! Ito mostly winter stuff. So, idodonate to dito talaga sa Australia. Pero merong mga nakahalo dyan na pwede sa Pinas. Kaya hindi ko pa siya na-dispose kasi gusto ko pang i-check yung iba. Meron kasi dyang nahalo nga. So, let's deal with this. Let's go. Let's do this. And then maybe we can drop it off today. What do you think? Yeah, itong mga to pang Pinas, pang dito. No, don't touch. Just leave, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, just talk to guys, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Good listening.
Okay.
Hi,
Book.
guys. Good reading. You're reading.
Oh.
Ako na to, di, oy. Aray, grabe man. Oh my goodness, Indy. Jesus Christ, look what she did. Guys, tingnan nyo ang kalat. We have 2 balikbayan boxes going. Ito yung na-fill na natin ng toys. Pero syempre, kulang pa siya. Ito, kakastart ko lang.
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than they should. Golden hour paints a dream like you. Even dreams start fading too. I am leaving, tell me what to do. I can feel us slipping away. Treading water, yeah, what's the use? I just say playing these games. Love drifts soft in the light. Come on, meet me at the poolside. Late July, you're on my mind.
Update. Ano na guys? 12 na ba? Hindi ko alam. Kakagaling ko lang sa taas. 12:14. Napatulog ko na si D. Nung natulog na siya, Gino-through ko yung mga cabinets. I got some stuff to add sa box. Malapit na guys. Malapit na yan mapuno. Pero hindi yan mapupuno today kasi kailangan ko pa bumili ng mga sabon. Yan, papunta kasi yan sa ibang pamilya. Ito yung papunta sa bahay namin. So, dito, ilalagay ko. Ito, nabili natin to sa Tommy. Bibigay namin kay mama. Sa'yo to, ma? Ganda, diba? Nanonood yun si mama. So, alam mo na sa'yo to, ha? Ilagay ko na to dito. And then, for Mama and Inday Run Run, ito yung gamit namin ni Mama. Yung K-Secret na retinol, guys. So, ang dami. Ayan. Ito din moisturizer for Mama. Nilagay ko siya sa bag na to. Marami to. Kailangan ko i-separate kasi yung iba dito para kay Inday. So, bigyan natin siya ng mask. Cleansing oil. Itong mga to is from YesStyle. Meron akong link sa YesStyle sa baba. Razor 10 for 10% off, guys, if you're interested. Ito din, sunscreen. Ayan. So, ilagay ko lang dito para na-separate na.
We were never meant for this life. It's a wave and we're moving on. Summer's gone before you realize. Bullets melting in the water is close.
So, ito yung box for family. Ito yung box pang iba. So, lalagyan ko yan ng maraming sabon. Siguro bili ako lotion, chocolates. I don't know. Pero marami pa akong magpapagkakasya dyan sa taas. Pero nalagay ko na yung nappies, wipes, swimming nappies. Yun lang naman yung importante, diba? May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Guys, it is 1:45 ng hapon. Let's go to Kmart before school pick up. Diba? Bigla ang Kmart to. Hindi kasi sana ako yung pick up. Tumawag sila. Sabi niya, can you please pick up the kids? Of course naman, syempre. Na-busy ang ating daddy. So, we're doing the pick up. And sabi ko, tara na di. Alis na tayo, day. Punta tayong Kmart before natin sila i-pick up. Tingin ako ng sabon, lotion, yung mga pangdagdag sa box. So, I don't think I will have enough time, but we will get what we need. Kailangan ko ng tape for the box. No pressure, no pressure. Dito na tayo sa Kmart. We have 20 minutes.
Daddy!
Daddy ka dyan.
Daddy! Daddy!
Okay ba to? That's it. Nag-iisip ako talaga, sis. Meron silang mga sabon dito. Maraming sabon. Yes, baby. Meron din po. Oh. Hindi siya shampoo. Ano siya? Oy. Yun lang. Meron tayong batang bael. Nasaan yung duct tape, me? Baby, I'm looking for the duct tape. Kung kailan tayo nagmamadali, saka hindi natin mahanap. Duct tape. Ako lang ba? Hindi ko makita. Wala, no? Up. Here. What's that? Low noise packing clear tape. Nope, I don't need packing tape. Hala, wala. Tapos itong isa, ayaw pag humihinto. Gusto dire-diretso. I know where we're going. Dito na ako sa outdoor camping section. Wala talaga, guys. Wala yung duct tape. Wala, mga pang fishing to. Wala na tayong time. Ito daw dito. Wala na, mga pang travel na to. Chinek ko siya ulit and out of stock pala talaga siya. O, diba wala ako i-check out. Wala kami na pala dito, guys. Nandun ako sa Jocks area, kaya lang yung tingin-tingin na ako, hindi nakakayanin ng oras. So sabi ko, wag na. Next time, balik na lang tayo. Nagbanding lang tayo dito. O, happy day daw. Happy day. Ito, ito kasi. Tawag ng tawag. More. Kain ng kain. Next time na lang kapag mahaba-haba yung oras natin. Okay lang, wala naman to sa plano. Daan tayo dun sa mga pagkain. Careful ha, careful please. Careful malap. Guys, ang sarap ng papaya. Ito yung papaya na binili ko sa Tony and Mark sa Burnside. And ang liit lang nung binili ko. Kasi sabi ko, kung hindi ganun katamis, or alam mo yun, kung hindi masarap, at least konti lang yung uubusin ko. Hoy, Priya Buyag, kalame! Hindi siya sobrang lambot, tamang-tama lang. Ay. Ang sarap niya. Babalatan ko siya pero gusto ko siya tikman, so nag-cut ako ng konti. Tapos kinain ko lang ng ganito lang. Ang sarap, Buyag. Don't break that, ha? Tingnan nyo naman yung Inday ko. Nakaupo sa bar stool yan. Ay. Try. May balat. Ito naman talaga. Sobrang saka independent. Yummy? May pasayaw-sayaw pa yun. Pag ganun-ganun pa yun sa shoulders. Yummy? Yum? Yummy. What do you say to mommy? You're welcome. I love you. Yung tawa mo, yung agik-ik mo talaga. Anong nakaupo man ka dito? Yeah, bakit ka nakaupo dito? Yeah. Nasa bar stool talaga siya. Gabi na pala, guys. It's already 5:18. Niluluto ko na yung pasta ng mga bata. Ready na yung sauce. Pagluto ng pasta, ilagay lang sa sauce. And yun ang kanilang dinner. And then, I have my rice going. Yung talong ko kakalabas lang from the microwave. Oh, good job! Look at you! Kasi magtutortang talong ako. Alright, I'll give you more. Here, good job! Wait. Give you more, baby.
Ayan.
Yeah. Oh, bigger one. What do you say to mommy?
Ito.
You're welcome. I love you. It's yummy, right? Okay, wag masyadong magalaw. Nasa stool ka. Bakil ka. Mag-hide and seek kami. 1, 2. Okay, that's enough. Oy, don't eat the peel. Balat. Say balat.
Bapak.
Good job. Say balat.
Dalik. Okay.
Yeah, good eating. Kanyan ko na lang siguro ikat, no? Hindi na lang kainin yung skin.
Mama?
Yeah, it's really good, right? I'll just do it that way. What do you think? Just do it that way, no? Yeah, sila na bahala sa balat, no? It's easier for mama. Very yummy papaya, right?
Ayan.
All done? Really?
Wow.
Very good eating, my love. Oh, not the peel.
Mommy.
Yummy in Indy's belly.
Ayan.
Yeah. All done?
Good.
Alright, give it to mama. You want more?
Sit it down. Mommy.
It's hot. Gumagano siya. Hot. It's hot.
Mommy.
Babalatan ko lang to. Tapos ipiprito with egg. Niluto ko yung onions nila. You will have sausage sizzle. So yung sausage nasa air fryer na. Yung mga bata kumakain na. Actually si Indy tapos na to na. Lalaro na. Ayla, finish your food please. Kakain na sana ako. Akala ko matagal pa si Daddy. Nasa labas pala. Na-stuck on call. Ito lang naman. Tapos siya na bahala mag-assemble ng kanyang sandwich. So, bread, lagyan niya ng sausage, lagyan niya ng onion, sausage, tapos siya na bahala sa sauce.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.